Hello folks, if Windows security is not opening or not working on your system, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we need to do is to uninstall third-party antivirus and anti-malware apps. Now the reason I say this is because these antivirus and anti-malware apps conflict with the operation of the Windows security apps like the antivirus and the anti-malware of Windows. So you should uninstall, be it McAfee or AVG, Kaspersky, Norton, etc. Now the Windows security antivirus and anti-malware is quite robust in itself, so we don't need a third-party app. Now the second thing we can do is restart the Windows Security Center service. So we'll go to services and then we'll look for the Windows Security service. Here it is. I'll right click on it and then I will click on refresh, but first I will go to properties. Okay, if I can make this automatic, well and good. If not, then I will just refresh it. Now the third thing I can do is to repair and reset Windows security. So I will right click on the start button, go to settings, on apps, installed apps, and I can look for security here. It will come in system components. So here we have Windows security. Just click on the three buttons here, click on advanced options and then click on repair. And once you get a check mark here, click on reset, reset again, and it should start working. If it doesn't, then we have some other steps to go by. The first one is we need to run Windows update. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows update and then click on update all. And once they update all, if there are any updates available, you can install all. And then while that is going on, you can click on advanced options, optional updates, and then update and install any driver updates here. Now the other thing we can do is go to command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now we will copy and paste this line here. It's a DISM scan. You'll find this in the description of the video. Copy this and press enter. I'm not pressing enter because this takes quite some time and I want to keep this video short for your convenience. Now after the DISM scan is over, we'll do an SFC scan. So we'll enter the command SFC space /SCANNOW and press enter. Now once that is done, we will restart the computer and hopefully the security tab should start working. Click on the power button and click on restart. Now if Windows security still doesn't work, then the only option left is to do a cloud reset. So for that, we need to right click on the start button again, click on settings and then go to system, look for recovery and then we'll click on reset PC and we will click on remove everything. So before you remove everything, make sure to back up all your files and then click on cloud download, click on next and it should install a fresh copy of Windows on your system and then your Windows security should start working and operating properly. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.